Hi friends, welcome to my new videos. Today's video I will show you how to create Binance Live customer support if you are facing any problem on your Binance account. First you need open Binance application. Alright, after opening Binance application then click here headphone logo. Friends, if you are click headphone logo then open this tab. Click here I understand. Alright, if you are click I understand then this tab. You need to scroll down. Alright, then click here get support. Alright friends, open here new text message type option. Type here Binance BINANCE. Just type here Binance, then show more question. Just click here, look at this. Just click here what is Binance Pay. Alright friends, if you are choose any question then show new message option here, look at this. Then show message send option here. Just type here. Alright friends, look at this. Just type here I need live customer support, please forward this message with human team. Just type this, then send this message. Click here. Alright dear, you need same message again send here. Just you need same message again send here, then create Binance Live customer support. Wait, okay, then click here okay. If you are click OK button then create Binance Human Live customer support. Wait. Alright there, look at this, create Binance Live customer support. Look at this, create Binance Live customer support. Dear, if you are solve your issue then you need to close this chat because this is live customer support. Alright, you need to click here, then click here thanks issue solve it close chat. If you are click here then close this live chat. Thank you so much for watching this video.